Hey, this is Jason. I'm the resort manager here at Sun Outdoors Moab Downtown. Thanks for booking your stay. Let me show you around. The thing that really sets Sun Outdoors Moab Downtown apart from any other resort here in town is we get a huge amount of people from all over the world that come and see us. We have a great facility here that accommodates really anybody, so we really pride ourselves in a nice clean park and a great experience for all guests. We have a variety of tent camping spots. We have room for small RVs all the way up to large RVs, and we have a number of cabins. We kind of pride ourselves here at the park with having an amazing canopy of trees, so we try and stay shaded as much as possible. Our sites are super clean. Everything's a pull through. We try to keep the park in as pristine shape as possible. We have a gas station here on site, and the gas station is also our general store. We also have multiple bathrooms and shower facilities that are free to use as well. Right when you come into the park, we have a wonderful pool and splash pad. We have a great playground, as well as we have a dog park on site. Some horseshoes down in our pavilion area where there's a whole lot of grass and shade. The atmosphere here is very family oriented. We try to keep everything as fun as possible. Everyone just loves being here, spending time outside, spending time in the pool, just having a lot of fun. Our proximity to downtown is fantastic. We're super close to a bunch of restaurants, walking distance about everything else. Some of the places you can visit here in town are Arches National Park, famous for their arches you see everywhere. Canyonlands National Park is also another great one with amazing views. Four-wheeling off-roading is extremely popular here. Off-road trails such as Hell's Revenge, any type of four-wheel drive, great national parks everywhere, great hiking, and multiple other recreational areas. Our whole team is here to make sure you have an unforgettable stay, like our guest service supervisor, Shannon.
If there's anything I can do to make your stay even better, you can find me at the Welcome Center.
Check out our Sun Outdoors app, available for download, where you can book your next reservation and look forward to your next adventure. We look forward to welcoming you to Sun Outdoors Moab Downtown, where you and your family can create lifelong memories.